This is the BBC Emergency Broadcast System. Please stand by. The Ministry of Defence has issued a shelter-in-place order for the entirety of the United Kingdom. New anomalies known as alternates had been found in the UK and seem to have been brought over from Mandela County in the United States. These anomalies are extremely dangerous. You must seek immediate shelter. Stay at home. Don't leave your house unless you are in need of essentials such as food and water. Monitor any CCTV around your house and trust no one. These alternates are able to disguise themselves as people you are close to or people that you love. If you have access to a firearm, be prepared to defend yourself, your family, and your loved ones. If you don't have access to a firearm, we strongly advise you purchase a firearm from your local firearms store. You must hold a valid firearms license upon purchasing a firearm. If you don't have a firearms license, head to your local police station and take some ID with you to get a firearms license. The image about to be shown may distress viewers. This is a photograph taken by West Yorkshire Police at 1800 hours. This photograph shows an alternate at an apartment within the Leeds city centre. If you see anything like this, do not scream, and quietly dial 999. This is all the information we have at the moment. Stay tuned for further updates on this ongoing situation. This message is being sent at the request of the UK Department for Health and Social Care and the National Health Service. There has been an 85% increase in metaphysical awareness disorder within the United Kingdom, potentially caused by these alternates. Metaphysical awareness disorder is the current result of being exposed to undesirable information. The rate of suicides within the UK has increased by 87%, all caused by metaphysical awareness disorder. Do not panic, as the remaining 3% proves the effects are reversible. The first step of being safe is to avoid the development of MAD. First, avoid excessive, frequent religious practices. Avoid unnecessary belief in philosophical implications. Avoid opening your eyes when you are 100% certain that the man from the corner is now mere inches from your face, watching you.